Good day, everyone. Are you ready now to explore the operations of integers? We will be having a great time applying your knowledge on fundamental operations to a new level. Let's start.
Hello everyone, we are now on our quarter 1, module 4 on the fundamental operations on integers. Now let's start with what are integers? It consists of signed numbers. If you can still remember our topic on the number line, we have the negative numbers and positive numbers. So, yung negative numbers na yan at positive numbers na yan ay ang tinatawag nating integers or signed numbers. Now, are you ready? Our first lesson will be for the module 4 is addition of integers. Let us define first. I-recall natin ito yung mga important vocabulary words na magagamit natin as we go on with our lessons. Addends are integers to be added. Example, we have here 1 and 1. So we have the first addend and we have the second addend. Next, what is a sum? The result of adding two integers. So if we have 1 plus 1 and the answer is 2, ngayon, ang 2 na to ay ang tinatawag nating sum. Naalala na ba? This is your topic on your elementary mathematics. I hope naalala nyo na kasi magagamit natin ito ngayon as we go on with our lesson. First, I'm going to introduce to you para maging simple para sa inyo ang pag-intindi ng pag-a-add ng ating integers. We're going to add same signs using a number line. Example, we have here positive 1 plus positive 5. So, they have the same sign. Pareho silang positive. Paano ba ito siya isosolve? First, locate, hanapin sa ating number, ating first addend, which is positive 1. Yan. And then, para mahanap natin ang sum, ang sagot ng ating positive plus positive, we're going to follow this instruction. If the second addend is positive, count additional units to the right. Kapag ang pangalawang addend ay positive, magka-count tayo ng additional units to the right. So, ayan, tinuturo ng ating arrow na dapat daw ay mag-count tayo papunta doon kapag positive. Now, let us count. Our origin will be the number 1, positive number 1. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that makes our answer equals to 6. Positive 6. Ayan. So, that is how we are going to find or add same signs, positive signs, or positive integers using a number line. How about if we're going to add negative? Halimbawa, we have negative 5 plus negative 1. The first step is hanapin ang first addend sa ating number line. And now, ayan, we locate, we plot our negative 5 here sa ating number line. And of course, remember this, if the second addend is negative, count additional units to the left. So, kung kanina, positive to the right, this time, we're going to count to the left. Ayan. Tinuturo ng arrow natin na magka-count tayo papunta sa left. How many units we're going to count? We're going to count only 1 unit dahil ang ating second addend is 1. So, we're just going to count 1 unit to the left. and that makes our answer equal to negative 6. Nakuha ba yun? It's very easy. Huwag nyo lang kalimutan na ang una ay pag gumamit kayo ng number line, una, kailangan yung i-locate ang ating first addend sa ating number line. And the second one is, kapag positive ang ating second addend, you're going to count units to the right. And if it is negative, you count units to the left. What if we have positive 10 plus positive 10? Same sign pa rin, di ba? And we also have negative 15 plus negative 9. Same sign pa rin, tama? Pero kung napapansin nyo, ang examples natin kanina ay maliliit na numbers. This time, we have bigger numbers. What if ganito ang ating numbers na medyo malaki na? Pwede pa rin bang mag-number line? The answer is yes. Kaso, magdudraw ka pa ulit ng mahabang number line bago ka makakasagot. That is the reason we have another way, and that is by using the rule in adding integers. This is the rule in adding integers. To add integers with the same sign, add without regard to the signs that affects the common sign of the integers. I-add daw natin ang mga numbers in its natural form. Huwag muna natin pakailaman ang kanilang mga sign. At kapag na-add na sila in its natural form, kukopyahin na lang natin ang kanilang parehong sign. Example, 10 plus 10 is 20. Positive plus positive is also positive. So the answer is positive 20. Nakuha yun? And here, we have negative 15 plus negative 9. First, we add this as natural numbers. We have 15 plus 9. That is 24. And we affects the same sign or kokopyahin natin ang kanyang parehong sign which is negative. That's why the answer is negative 24. So negative plus negative is negative. Positive plus positive is positive. That is how easy our rules in adding same sign of integers. Now, what if we have negative 2 plus 3? As you can see, this is now different signs. So, ano yung gagawin natin? Tulad lang sa same signs, kung gagamit tayo ng number line, we find the first addend, which is negative 2. And then, if the second addend is positive, count additional units to the right. So, kung paano tayo kanina nag-add ng same sign using a number line, ganun din yung pag-add ng different signs using a number line. So, we have 3, positive 3 as the second addend, so we're going to count 3 units to the right. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and that makes our answer as positive 1. Next, how about we have positive 6 plus negative 10? So, first step, locate the first addend, that is positive 6. And of course, if the second addend is negative, count additional units to the left. So, papunta sa left. We are going to count. So, we have 10, negative 10. So, magka-count tayo ng 10 papunta sa left. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that let's make our answer as negative 4. Very easy, right? Ganun lang ang pag-a-add using a number line with integers in different signs. Adding different signs using a number line. That is how easy adding different signs using a number line. Now, what if we have like this, bigger numbers, 15 plus negative 8, and we also have negative 10 plus 6. Kapag bigger numbers naman ang yung isosolve or i-add, we can use the rules in adding different signs. To add integers with the different signs, subtract the shorter distance from the longer distance, and the answer, use the sign of the number farther from 0. Nakuha yun? Kapag mag-a-add tayo ng integers na magkaiba daw ang sign, ang gagawin natin ay i-minus ang maliit sa malaki. Sa example, 15 plus negative 8. Bawasan natin ang 15 ng 8, and that makes 7. Ano ang mas malayo sa 0? Ang positive 15 o ang negative 8? So since mas malayo ang positive 15 sa negative 8 sa 0, so our answer will be positive. So that makes our answer as positive 7. Here, the second one, we have negative 10 plus 6. So ibabawas natin ang maliit na number sa malaking number. So ang 10, babawasan natin ng 6, that makes 4. At ano ang mas malaki o mas malayo sa 0? Ang negative 10 o ang 6? That's make negative 10 farther from 0. That's why our answer is negative 4. In adding integers with different signs, first, we're going to subtract. Ima-minus natin ang numbers. Pangalawa, sa sum nila, ilalagay natin o ikokopya natin yung sign ng mas malayong number from 0 or bigger absolute value. Nakuha ba yun? I hope nakuha nyo kung paano ang mag-add ng integers with different signs. Now, let us have an example of a word problem. Going up his room, a boy will have to take 5 steps up the landing and another 8 steps to reach his room. How many steps does it take? So first, meron siyang 5 steps and next is 8 steps. So let us identify. Ang mga steps ba na ginawa ng boy, is it representing same signs or different signs? Let us find out. 5 steps up and 8 steps up. So mean to say, lahat sila on the same direction, then this makes us adding integers with the same signs. And that is equal to 13 steps up. Nakuha yun? Now, next, we have the temperature rose to 40 degrees Celsius in the early afternoon and dropped by 6 degrees Celsius in the late afternoon. What was the temperature by the late afternoon? Let us find the given. So we have 40 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius. Is this example of word problem adding same signs or different signs? So we have here 40 degrees Celsius rose, tumaas. And 6 degrees Celsius is drop, bumaba. Kung napansin nyo, magkaibang direksyon ng ating temperature kasi tumaas siya at bumaba. This means that this is an example of adding integers with different signs. So the answer is 34 degrees Celsius. We subtract the temperature since they have different directions or different signs. And that is the final answer. 34 degrees Celsius. So, ganun natin iniintindi or sinusolve ang mga word problems that regarding integers. And that's all. Keep safe and keep learning. Do not give up. This is just only a start of our integers. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng marami pang operations on integers. Have a good day.